Hello, cosmic explorers, and welcome back to Extraterrestrial Mystery, your portal to the deepest mysteries of the universe. Today, we're embarking on a journey that will take us 124 light-years from Earth, to a world that's shaking the foundations of science and making us question. Are we truly alone in the cosmos? This is K2-18b, a planet shrouded in enigma, where oceans might stretch endlessly beneath a sky whispering secrets of life. From groundbreaking discoveries to chilling possibilities, we're diving into the heart of this alien ocean world. Buckle up, because we're about to explore K2-18b, the cosmic ocean and the search for alien life. Picture yourself standing on the shore of an infinite ocean, waves lapping at your feet, but you're not on Earth. You're on K2-18b, a planet so far away that its light takes 124 years to reach us. The sky glows faintly red, lit by a distant dwarf star, and the air hums with the promise of secrets. This isn't a dream. It's a real world that's captivating scientists and dreamers alike. Is this the place where we'll finally find proof of life beyond our planet? Or is it a cosmic mirage, teasing us with possibilities we can't yet grasp? Let's dive in and uncover the truth. K2-18b first burst onto the scene in 2015, discovered by NASA's Kepler Space Telescope, a cosmic explorer scanning the heavens for distant worlds. Among over 1,200 exoplanets, K2-18b stood out like a jewel in the void. It orbits in the habitable zone of a red dwarf star, a Goldilocks region where conditions are just right for liquid water, the key to life as we know it. This planet is no ordinary world. It's 2.5 times larger than Earth, 9 times heavier, and scientists believe it could be a water world, covered in oceans stretching dozens of miles deep. Imagine a planet that's one giant, shimmering droplet, floating in the vastness of space. Doesn't that make your heart race? What makes K2-18b the talk of the cosmos? It's the tantalizing hints of life, like whispers from another world. In 2019, the Hubble Space Telescope detected water vapor in its atmosphere, a game-changer since water is the foundation of life as we know it. But the real shock came in 2023, when the James Webb Space Telescope, humanity's most powerful eye on the universe, spotted something extraordinary: dimethyl sulfide, or DMS. On Earth, DMS is produced only by living organisms, like phytoplankton in our oceans. You know that salty, briny smell of the sea? That's DMS. On K2-18b, its concentration is 1,000 times higher than on Earth. Scientists estimate a 99.7% chance this is a sign of life. Are we on the brink of a discovery that could rewrite history? The journey to understand K2-18b reads like a sci-fi epic, but it's grounded in hard science. After Kepler's discovery, the Spitzer Space Telescope and the HARP spectrograph joined the quest in 2017, confirming that K2-18b sits perfectly in its star's habitable zone, basking in just the right amount of heat and light, similar to Earth's cozy relationship with the sun. Here's a fascinating clue. Its atmosphere lacks ammonia, a compound that would dissolve in water. This strongly suggests K2-18b is dominated by vast oceans, swallowing up any ammonia in their depths. It's as if this planet is shouting, "I'm a water world," but not everyone agrees on this portrait. The scientific community is buzzing with debate. Some, like Dr. Nicholas Vaughn from the La Silla Advanced Research Center, argue K2-18b might be a mini-Neptune, a gas giant with a thick atmosphere but no solid surface. Picture a swirling ball of gas where you'd never find a place to stand. Others, like Professor Niku Madhusudhan, who led the groundbreaking study, believe it's a vibrant ocean world teeming with potential life. Madhusudhan predicts that within a year or two, new observations from James Webb will confirm whether DMS is truly a biological signature or just a cosmic chemistry trick. This debate reminds us that science is a journey of questions, where every answer sparks a dozen more mysteries. Now, let's unleash our imagination. If K2-18b harbors life, what might it look like? Its deep oceans and hydrogen-rich atmosphere create a world unlike ours. Life could start small, with microbes akin to Earth's extremophiles, bacteria thriving near hydrothermal vents, feeding on chemical reactions like hydrogen sulfide oxidation. Imagine tiny organisms dancing in the dark, in waters hotter than boiling, producing DMS as a sign of their existence. But what if life has evolved further? Picture giant, jellyfish-like creatures drifting through the depths, their bodies glowing with bioluminescence, lighting up the ocean like a cosmic fireworks show. To survive pressures 2,400 times Earth's atmosphere at depths of 15 miles, they might have shells or exoskeletons made of super-strong biological polymers, like living suits of armor gliding through the water. What if K2-18b hosts intelligent life? In an environment where light barely penetrates the thick atmosphere and deep oceans, these beings might not rely on vision. Instead, they could sense vibrations, temperature, or magnetic fields to navigate and communicate. Adapted to a gravity 9 times stronger than Earth's, they'd move like superheroes on our planet, barely noticing our weak gravity. Imagine a towering creature with a crystalline exoskeleton, striding across Earth as if it were a breeze. But here's the million-dollar question. Would they be friends or foes? Would they welcome us as cosmic neighbors, or see us as a threat? Let's play out 2 scenarios. First, the chilling one. Imagine we receive a signal from K2-18b, or a sleek, alien ship lands on Earth. With technology far beyond ours and biology possibly based on silicon instead of carbon, our weapons might be useless. Think of sci-fi classics like Independence Day, where humanity faces an overwhelming force. A civilization from K2-18b, adapted to extreme conditions, could outmatch us in every way. But now, the hopeful scenario. What if they're friendly? Imagine a galactic summit, where humans and K2-18b's inhabitants share knowledge, trading secrets of the stars. Picture a conference under an alien sky, where we learn from beings who've mastered life in an ocean world. It's a dream, but the universe is full of surprises. Now flip the script. If we wanted to visit K2-18b, we'd face impossible odds. Its crushing gravity would flatten us without advanced tech. The ocean's pressure, thousands of times stronger than Earth's, would crush our toughest submarines. And the distance, 124 light-years, is a cosmic chasm. Even reaching Mars is a challenge for us today, let alone a planet so far away. Our best hope? That K2-18b's residents are the ones to reach out, sending a signal we can answer from the safety of Earth. K2-18b isn't our only hope. The universe is brimming with tantalizing worlds, like lighthouses in a sea of stars. Teegarden B, just 12.5 light-years away, has a 60% chance of being Earth-like, with temperatures between 0 and 50 degrees Celsius and potential for liquid water. But it might be tidally locked, one side in eternal day, the other in endless night, with life possibly thriving in a twilight zone. TOI 700D, 101 light-years away, boasts a stable climate and a surface temperature around -4 degrees Celsius, making it a prime candidate. Gliese 581D, only 20 light-years away, matches Earth's mass and orbits in its star's habitable zone, like a distant cousin. Then there are the cosmic oddities that stretch our imagination. J1407b flaunts rings 200 times larger than Saturn's, a masterpiece of celestial art. WASP 76b, 640 light-years away, rains molten iron due to scorching temperatures on its day side. PSR J1719-1438b might be a diamond planet, orbiting a neutron star like a cosmic gem. WASP 107b, with a density so low it's dubbed the cotton candy planet, defies our understanding of planets. GJ1214b, another water world, hosts water in a supercritical state, blurring the line between liquid and gas. These worlds don't just expand our minds, they challenge what we believe life can be. Why do we chase these distant worlds? It's not just about answering whether we're alone. It's about discovering who we are. Every clue, from K2-18b's DMS to the rings of J1407b, is a piece of the cosmic puzzle. These discoveries push science forward, forcing us to rethink life's possibilities and fueling our drive to explore. Imagine the scientists poring over James Webb's data, hoping to catch a whisper from another world. That's the spirit of curiosity that took us from cave fires to spacecraft, and it's what keeps us gazing at the stars. If we find life on K2-18b, it will be a moment that reshapes history. It will change how we see the night sky, not just as a vast unknown, but as a shared home for countless forms of life. Somewhere on K2-18b, a creature might be drifting in its ocean, looking up at its sky, wondering if anyone's out there. That question, like ours, is a thread weaving all life together across the cosmos. So, what do you think? Is K2-18b home to alien life? Would you want to meet its inhabitants, or stay cautious? If you could send a message to K2-18b, what would you say? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell to join our next cosmic adventure. Thank you for journeying with me through this 20-minute voyage. See you in the next video, where we'll unravel more secrets of the universe. Remember, in the vast ocean of stars, every question is a wave leading us closer to the truth. Until next time, keep looking up,